If you are going back to work and your baby will not take a bottle and they're under 6 months, listen to this. If you've been here for a while, you have watched me show you the step-by-step on how to get your baby to take a bottle. But we all know that's a process and you still have to go back to work. What do you do in the meantime? This is a short-term solution. It's called reverse cycling. We're going to continue practicing getting our babies to take the bottle. I hope you have support if you are at this stage. But what you can do in the meantime is feed your baby a lot overnight. Essentially, again, you've probably heard me talk about filling your baby's caloric and meeting your baby's caloric needs throughout the day. We're going to switch that and you're going to feed your baby a lot overnight. And then in the day, when you're separated from them, they're not going to need as much milk. Then you can get whoever's watching them to feed them via syringe. That will work if you just gently spray the milk into the side of their cheek, just enough till you get home from work and you can feed them again. Is this a long-term solution? No, it is not sustainable for you to work and then have to feed your baby all night long, but it is an interim solution while you find the support to get your baby taking a bottle, because it can be done. Most of the time, you do need an extra hand and some support to help you get there. If you need this, comment where you're from in the comments and I will connect you to one of my nurses. If you have questions, you can put them in the comments.